Welcome to Reolink. Reolink has rolled out its newest 4G wire-free camera with upgraded features, the Go Plus. In this video, we will be unboxing this camera and having a look at what it can do. Inside the box, you'll find the Go Plus camera itself, a camouflaged skin, the mount, the strap, a USB cable, a reset needle and screws, a mounting template, a surveillance sticker, and the quick start guide. The Go Plus camera is 100% wire-free, powered by rechargeable battery or solar energy, so you'll never have to worry about a blackout. It operates on 4G LTE network, and you can find a SIM card slot here. So with a SIM card and a cellular data plan, it can go with you anywhere. On the front of the camera, you can see a lens connected to a 2K 4-megapixel image sensor, so you'll get sharper and clearer footage with more visual details than before. Around the lens are 6 pieces of IR LEDs for producing high-quality images even at night. Below the lens, you'll find a built-in PIR sensor built for detecting motion events. And the Plus version also brings you the next-level person and vehicle detection technology, so you can stay in the know with more accurate alerts. The Go Plus has got a microphone and speaker, allowing two-way talk through the camera when there comes a visitor or intruder.
Hey, get out of there!
And on the back of the head, it has a micro SD card slot to accommodate an up to 128GB SD card and save your videos locally. The IP65 waterproof design provides robust protection to the camera against intense heat, humidity, and cold. That's all for the overview of the Reolink Go Plus. In our next video, we'll guide you on the setup and installation.